Hi guys, welcome back to Baby Game. Today we're going to be playing Adopt Me and making a mega dog. I'm going to ask people to come and look at it. I'm going to say ABC who wants to look at me making my mega dog. Okay, so let's start. Okay, we're in the game. Now we have to chat ABC who wants to see me make a mega dog. This chat. Okay, we're in. Now we just have to wait. There we go. Let's see here. Okay, there's a lot of people that wants to come and look at the megadog maybe. But these people okay, everybody's looking. Oh no, I forgot. I'm gonna say let me just awesome. The last one. Like and subscribe and turn on your notification. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, guys. Everybody's looking here. But OMG. Oh my gosh, I'm getting too much traits. Honestly, I want to name my mega dog. It's so cute. Isn't it nice? I'm gonna say thanks. I'm not gonna give secrets. I'm sorry. Look at this, guys. This is a my mega dog. Say anyone has a drink with me on my pet. Drink. Um. Uh, Comment down below what I should name it. For now, I'm gonna go with Blossom. It has already fused blue and it already is my own. And look how cute Blossom is. When I enter the school, I'm gonna show everybody Blossom. You see a beautiful grown Shiba Inu. I got featured this. Now we're gonna see what people would offer. I'm gonna leave the game and then it'll show me all my mega pets. I'm gonna be at the bottom. So much to make. So I'm gonna think what I should make neon or maybe like mega. Guys, I think we are gonna work on making a neon snow puma next. I have two full groans. Very handy. Okay, let's see. I have a junior. Oh, oh, it doesn't see offer for mine. So we're gonna start this. We're gonna create lots of people. The offers for my mega neon dog. Let's see. Lots of people in the game. So a ride beef with mega dog. Continuing, I'm not accepting obviously. So that's it for today's video.